If you've ever tried learning Italian and felt like traditional apps get repetitive, this might be something different. In this video, I'm reviewing LyricFluent, a language learning app that uses music to help you learn Italian. I spent some time testing it, and here's what the experience actually feels like. So at its core, LyricFluent is a library of Italian songs combined with learning tools. Instead of memorizing vocabulary lists or doing grammar drills, you're learning directly from music. For me, this immediately feels more natural because you're not studying isolated words. You're seeing how the language is actually used. When I open the app, the first thing I see is a list of songs I can choose from. Once I pick one, the app shows me the lyrics in Italian along with a translation. As the song plays, I can follow along line by line. I can pause, replay parts, or slow it down if something is difficult. What I like here is that I'm not just listening passively. I'm actually interacting with the language. I can tap on words to understand them, and after that, there are small exercises like fill in the blank or multiple choice questions to check what I understood. What stood out to me is how different this feels compared to more traditional apps. It doesn't feel like studying, it feels more like I'm just listening to music, but at the same time, I'm picking up vocabulary and pronunciation. Also, because songs repeat naturally, I end up hearing the same phrases multiple times without forcing it. And that repetition actually helps things stick much faster. From my experience, this works best if you're a beginner and want something more engaging, or you already know some Italian and want to expand your vocabulary in a more natural way. It also works well if you don't have a lot of time, because you can literally learn something in just a few minutes with one song. There are a few things I liked. The app is simple to use, so I don't spend time figuring things out. I just open it and start learning. And using music makes the whole process feel less repetitive compared to typical exercises. But there are also some limitations. The song library is still growing, so depending on your taste, you might feel it's a bit limited. Also, this is not a complete system for learning Italian. It helps with vocabulary, listening, and pronunciation, but it doesn't replace a structured grammar course. And I noticed it's very mobile-focused, so it works best on your phone rather than desktop. Overall, LyricFluent feels like a different approach to learning Italian. For me, it's more about immersion and consistency rather than structured learning. It's something I would use alongside other tools, especially if I want to make learning feel less like a task. And if you enjoy music, this approach will probably feel much more natural. That said, this isn't the only way to learn Italian. There is another tool that I would recommend checking out, especially if you're looking for a more complete learning experience. And that's Think in Italian. Think in Italian is an all-in-one platform that helped me go from memorizing words to actually speaking Italian and thinking in it. It combines structured audio lessons, bite-sized bilingual readings, and a super customizable AI tutor that makes learning feel natural and personal. Let's start with the audio lessons. These are made up of bilingual sentences, like mini dialogues, that show you exactly how to say things in Italian. They're organized into 3 parts, A, B, and C. So it's not just repetition. It actually builds your understanding gradually. I can control the playback speed, adjust the volume, and if I ever get stuck, I just click on any word or sentence and it breaks it down for me. It's a great way to learn grammar patterns and vocabulary without the overwhelm. Honestly, I started recognizing sentence structures and building phrases way faster than with traditional lessons. It just feels more intuitive, more like how we learned our first language. Then there are the readings, which are quick 1-minute stories, jokes, dialogues, or even songs. Each one comes with Italian and English audio and a bilingual transcript, so I can listen, follow along, and really see how the language works in context. There are over 1,200 of these, and I love how I can fit them into my day, even when I just have 5 minutes. Now this is where it gets really cool, the AI tutor. This is where I get to talk in Italian, either by typing or recording my voice, and get instant feedback. I can have a casual chat, practice a role-play situation like ordering food or booking a hotel, or even review the lessons I've completed. It adjusts to my level, and the suggestions it gives help me express myself more naturally. Sometimes I'm not sure what to say next, so I just click a button, and it suggests sentences to keep the conversation going. There's even a settings menu where I can change the tutor's personality, tweak how it interacts with me, and see my conversation history. After a few messages, I can even download my chats to track progress over time, which I find super useful. So yeah, between the structured lessons, bite-sized content, and the AI conversation tool, Think in Italian really covers all the angles. It's been the most well-rounded and flexible platform I've used so far to actually speak Italian, not just study it. If you're looking for something that's intuitive, fun, and helps you practice real-world Italian every day, I'd definitely say give it a try. I'll leave a link below so you can check it out.